Recently, a rear trunk sequential light strip has gone viral in BMW owner circles. Let's open the trunk and check out the effect. This sequential dynamic effect gives you a really strong sense of ceremony. Plus, the light is very soft and not harsh on the eyes. The whole trunk gets nicely lit up. Originally, the car only has 2 tiny trunk lights, very weak. Sometimes you even need a flashlight to find things. There are 2 color options. The one I installed in my car is warm light. Here's a comparison with white light. You can choose based on your preference. Some of you guys might worry about power consumption. Will it be too high? Its power is very low, only 6 watts per meter. This whole strip is about 4 meters long. It connects directly to the trunk light. As soon as you close the trunk, it turns off. So you really don't need to worry about power drain. The installation is very simple. Step 1. Use a small screwdriver to pry out the trunk light. Then unplug the light. Before installing, test if the light strip works properly. It should be fine, but it's better to test first. There's a 1 to 2 wiring harness. First, plug one end of the light strip into the harness. Then plug the other end into the trunk light socket. Just push it straight in. Once connected, the light strip should light up normally. Now unplug it again. Next, at this position, use the pry tool to pry open a small gap. Thread the harness through this gap, then pull it out the other side. If it's hard to thread, use a tool to help. After the wires are connected, tuck the light strip into the rubber seal. Pry the seal open just a little. Important when tucking. The side with the LEDs faces outward, the side without LEDs faces inward. Then run the strip all the way around the trunk inside the seal. After tucking, check for any uneven parts and push them in. The length of the strip should roughly match the trunk's perimeter. If it's a bit too long, you can cut it. Then put the rubber cap back on. Now plug the trunk light back in, and also plug in the light strip connector. Tuck everything back in and restore it to its original position. Now the light is back in place. After installation, check the overall lighting effect. Now open the trunk. This sequential effect gives you a really ceremonial feel.